The 380 ACP cartridge isn't the top choice for concealed carry or home defense. However, advancements in ammunition technology have given it a new lease on life, making it a more viable option for self-defense. Many gun owners value the 380 ACP for its compact size compared to the 9mm, allowing for higher magazine capacity in smaller firearms. Interestingly, this round is also called the 9mm short because it shares the same diameter as the 9mm but has a shorter case length. When searching for 380 ACP ammo, you'll encounter a diverse range of options. One major limitation of this cartridge is its relatively poor penetration. The FBI advises that an effective self-defense round should reach at least 12 inches in ballistic gel, and some 380 loads fall short of this benchmark. Additionally, certain 380 bullets fail to expand properly, reducing their stopping power. Despite these weaknesses, the 380 ACP remains a legitimate defensive option, and many individuals have successfully used it in real-life situations. The key is selecting a round that delivers reliable performance. So, what should you look for when choosing self-defense ammunition? The most critical factors include penetration, expansion, dependability, bullet design, weight retention, barrel length, velocity, and overall weight. These considerations demonstrate the complexity of choosing the right defensive load. Penetration refers to how effectively a bullet travels through a target. Factors such as weight, material, velocity, and design all impact this characteristic. Lead bullets often deform upon impact, causing significant damage but reducing penetration depth. Likewise, a round that's too lightweight and slow won't achieve sufficient penetration. The ideal range is typically 12 to 18 inches in 10% ballistic gel. Expansion plays a crucial role in maximizing stopping power. A bullet that fully passes through a target without expanding causes less damage than one that mushrooms upon impact, tearing through tissue, increasing blood loss, and amplifying pain. While larger calibers generally provide superior expansion, penetration remains the top priority. Reliability pertains to a round's consistency in expansion and penetration with every shot. A dependable self-defense load should perform as expected each time. Additionally, reliability extends to the round's ignition and firing consistency. Thankfully, modern defensive ammunition is produced to high standards, minimizing concerns about inconsistent performance. The type of projectile significantly influences how a bullet penetrates and expands upon impact. Bonded jacketed hollow point JHP ammunition has built a strong reputation for effectiveness, making it a preferred choice for self-defense. In contrast, full metal jacket FMJ rounds are less ideal since they tend to over-penetrate, increasing the risk of unintended harm to bystanders. Always remember that you're accountable for every shot you fire. Additionally, it's wise to steer clear of gimmicky projectiles that may appear impressive but often fail to perform reliably. Weight retention is another critical factor, as it directly impacts a bullet's ability to cause damage to vital organs. The weight of a bullet, measured in grains, affects its performance. If a bullet sheds too much weight, whether due to fragmentation or losing its jacket, it can compromise penetration and effectiveness. Barrel length, though a characteristic of the firearm rather than the ammunition itself, also plays an important role. Most 380 ACP handguns are designed to be compact, meaning they have shorter barrels that can reduce bullet velocity. Considering these aspects, a 90-grain bullet strikes a good balance, offering solid penetration while maintaining enough speed to ensure expansion. Now that we've covered the key concepts, let's dive into specific recommendations. Below are 8 of the best .380 ACP defensive rounds worth considering. Horny critical defense, one of the most popular choices. This 90-grain round is engineered for optimal performance in .380 ACP firearms. With a muzzle velocity exceeding 1050 feet per second, it ranks among the fastest in its category. A distinctive feature is the red polymer tip, which promotes reliable expansion while maintaining an accurate trajectory. Liberty Civil Defense. These lightweight, 50-grain rounds are an excellent choice for shooters sensitive to recoil. Liberty Ammunition claims these bullets can reach speeds of up to 1,500 feet per second, delivering an impressive muzzle energy of 250 foot-pounds. Federal Personal Defense, HST, known for its reliability and terminal performance. This 99-grain round achieves speeds of about 1030 feet per second from a 2.75-inch barrel. The bonded jacket and core prevent separation upon impact, ensuring better weight retention and penetration. Its precision-engineered jacket design also enhances expansion. Although more expensive, Federal HST remains one of the most trusted self-defense options. Federal Hydra-Shok. Frequently used by law enforcement, this round differs from the HST by featuring a serrated jacket and a center post design. These elements help control expansion and maximize energy transfer upon impact. The nickel-plated casing enhances feeding reliability and protects against moisture and corrosion, offering greater durability than standard brass cases. Winchester USA. White box. While hollow points are generally favored for self-defense, their performance in .380 ACP can sometimes be hindered by limited muzzle energy. On the other hand, FMJ rounds penetrate well but pose a higher risk of overpenetration. A good middle ground is a flat-nose FMJ, and the Winchester White Box 95-grain bullet fits this category well. With a muzzle velocity of 955 feet per second, it delivers respectable accuracy. Remington HTP High Terminal Performance. One major advantage of the HTP series is its affordability. With 50 rounds of 88-grain bullets available at a budget-friendly price, it offers solid value. Despite the lower cost, these rounds perform reliably in terms of both penetration and expansion. Sig Sauer 5, Crown JHP. This round excels in both expansion and penetration. It's one of the few .380 ACP loads that consistently meets the 12-inch penetration standard while expanding up to half an inch. Another advantage is its reasonable pricing compared to other premium self-defense rounds. Black Hills Honey Badger, previously known as Extreme Defense. This lightweight 60-grain round features a solid copper bullet with a velocity of 1150 feet per second. Instead of a traditional hollow point design, it utilizes specially designed flutes that display soft tissue upon impact, creating significant wound channels. Though its penetration is slightly below the FBI's preferred range at around 9 inches, it still delivers substantial damage while minimizing the risk of overpenetration. Additionally, its reduced recoil makes it a good option for micro-compact pistols. These are my top choices for .380 ACP self-defense ammunition. However, having the right firearm and ammunition is only part of the equation. Training is just as essential. No matter how powerful or accurate a round may be, it won't help if you can't land your shots effectively. Regular practice at the range is crucial. In many self-defense situations, simply drawing a firearm may be enough to stop an attack. But if a threat persists, precise shot placement is critical. Your ability to hit vital areas accurately can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.